years back, when the medical community decided that butter was bad for health, margarine was created. However, butter or margarine, which is better for your health? This continues to be an ongoing debate. Both have their own sets of pros and cons. The biggest difference between the two lies in its fat content. Butter is an animal or dairy product, whereas margarine is a plant-based product made from oils like canola or soybean oil. Both have a large amount of fat, but they are different types of fat. Butter is made up of saturated fats. Saturated fats are known to raise LDL or bad cholesterol. From the standpoint of heart disease, butter remains on the list of foods to use sparingly, mostly because of its high amount of saturated fat. Margarine, on the other hand, has less saturated fat and more unsaturated fat, which is overall better for health. However, margarine has gotten a bad reputation because it used to contain trans fats. Trans fats not only raise LDL or bad cholesterol, but they also decrease HDL or good cholesterol. So basically, it's a double whammy. In fact, trans fats have so many negative health effects that the FDA banned its use in the US as of June 2018. The good news is that the newer margarines have eliminated the trans fats, which make them a good option. So which one to choose? The pros are that butter is only made from a couple of ingredients, making it less processed, but it has a higher amount of saturated fats. 1 tablespoon accounts for 1/3 of your daily intake of saturated fats. So if you're healthy, it's fine to use in moderation. But if you have a history of heart disease or an increased risk of heart disease, or if you have high cholesterol, it is better to minimize butter use or just switch over to margarine. How about the pros of margarine? It has significantly less saturated fats and more unsaturated fats, which makes it a good option for those watching their heart health. Some margarine brands are also a good alternative for vegans. And the cons? First, it is processed and not as natural as butter. It is also not the greatest option for baking. Butter is still far superior. When buying margarine, pick one that comes in a tub and look at the ingredients to see which oil blend you like, as it can be made with canola, soybean, and even olive oil. I enjoy simplifying the answers to many health questions my patients have. If you want to improve your overall health, I invite you to visit our website at healthymeweightloss.com, where you can learn more about the many ways we help our patients lose weight while creating healthier habits that can last a lifetime.